I've received several questions about how do you add a video to one of the reading blogs. Maybe you want to add a YouTube video as a resource to parents or to teachers or whomever about reading instruction. So this video is going to cover that. So first I'm logging in, and then I'm going to the main site. So over here on the resources page, we have a lot of room to put information, and we want to put a video here on this page to share with members of our community. So the first thing we're going to do is go and find the video on YouTube. And in this case, I'm going to select this one about reading instruction. So there's the video that we're going to add. Now let's scroll down the page and get the settings and commands, controls for sharing it. So because I want to share the video, I click on the word share. You'll see that there's a URL right there. If you want, you could simply copy that, put it in an email, and send it off to folks. That will direct them to this page where they can view it. But we want to put the video right in the page. So there's the code we're going to use, but we need to fix it up a bit. We need to modify it. You'll see that one of the checkboxes is for show suggested videos when the video finishes. I strongly recommend that you take that off, otherwise there's no telling what kind of crap is going to come up when this video ends. So we unclick that. I'm also going to take a slightly bigger size for this video so that it will fit and look nicely on the blog page. I will keep the option for player controls, and I will keep the option for video title and player actions. Just make sure you get rid of that show suggested videos. Alright, so now the URL's been changed a bit, so I'm going to copy the whole thing, and then I'm going to go back to the page where we want to embed this video. So here we are in resources, and we will edit the page. Now normally when you're editing the page and adding content, you're doing it here in the visual editor. That's not going to work in this particular case. Let me show you. I'll put the code in the visual editor and update it. And let's see what it looks like. I'll hit preview changes to see what it looks like. So here's the preview of the page, and as you see, there's no video. It's just all of that gobbledygook coding. So that's definitely not going to work. So let me take that back out of there. Instead of using the visual editor, we need to use the text editor, which is right up there. And the easiest place to probably to put a video is right at the end. So I'm going to copy all of that coding right there at the end in the text editor. Now if I switch back to the visual editor, you'll see there's a video in there. It doesn't play the video here, but you can see the place for it. Alright, let's preview it again and see what this is going to look like. And there's the video on the page. Let's play it. Okay, sure enough, it's there. Well, that video is working nicely, so let me get rid of the preview window. Now that we know it works, we need to hit that update button again. Before we do that, you know what? Let's add a title here to the video so people will know what this video is going to be about and can decide whether or not they want to take the time to view it. So I'll put a title up here, and I'll try to learn how to spell. Now to make this a little bit fancier, I'm going to highlight it. Instead of using plain text, let's use this heading 2. Heading 2 is a very nice size heading for a web page. And now we'll go ahead and update it. Once updating is done, we'll take a look and see what we've got. Okay, view page. And there it is. There's the video embedded right into our web page, and there's a nice title on it. Let's see if it works.